Hey guys, welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to text someone on TikTok. So, guys, if you ever wondered on how to send a message on TikTok, of course, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application into your device. Now, over here on the TikTok, you could just simply go ahead and go for the person or the account of the person that you want to text with. So, for example, I am going to message this person over here. So, I'm just gonna select their profile icon or their username. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to have a message icon over here on their profile, and you could send a message over here. Now, guys, if you are looking for a specific person, of course, you could just simply go ahead and select the search icon on the top right corner over here. And after that, you could use the search bar over here, and you could just simply search for a specific name of the person that you want to text with. And after that, you should be able to send them a message. And there you go.